G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Today we're doing a building clean, commercial building. If we just have a look up here, this building is obviously in desperate need to be improved, but the paint is heavily eroded through time, age, and obviously the mould that's been up there has really damaged the paint. But this is a primary example of what you can't pressure wash. You put high pressure on that, it's just going to take the paint off, erode it even more. So we'll be doing probably a two-stage soft wash up there to try to get the best out of the building for what it is until eventually when it gets painted. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.